So I got my helmet stole the other day off of my bike. Left it chained up outside by a park, and I've been leaving it there to go to work for a long time, about 3-4 years now. Never had a problem before, but then I got off the bus and my helmet's missing. So that sucks. I don't know who the hell would steal a helmet, but it's a little weird. But anyways, now I'm a little bit worried that maybe somebody's scoping it out and gonna take my bike. So I upgraded my lock. Let's check it out.
Shifting through all the gears, ripping up dirt and crushing beers. No one here's getting medals. Life is pretty neat when pounding pedals.
All right, here we go. This is what I bought. Kryptonite. It's a Kryptonite lock. I think they rate it as like a 6 out of 10 or something for safety. They've got an entire rating system for different locks. Some of them are like multi-layer locks. It's like a cable with a little clamp thing that attaches to it. They're saying 10 out of 10. Those ones are like the official New York City approved, because I guess crime there is so bad you got to name a lock after it. This is the one that I'm replacing it with. It was just like a cheap one, cable combination, but I'm really worried that now that maybe somebody's gonna come by with a set of bolt cutters and just snip this and take the bike. So enter this heavy ass chain. Could almost do morning weights with this thing. It weighs so much. But I guess that means it's good to go. So hopefully I don't have anything stolen. Cost me about, I think it was 65 bucks or something like that. Maybe it was 50 bucks, can't remember. Anyway, well worth it to try and save a bike that would probably cost me around $2,000 to replace. So here's to trying. Safety first. Road rash some thieves with it. Remember that game? It was a good one. That's enough of whatever that was. Frig off, Lucas.